So this is a little toy known as Euler's disc. It's essentially like spinning a 10p piece, but this is quite a heavy disc. And this is a slight concave mirror, which just helps it to stabilize in the middle. And I'm just going to spin it as you would a coin. These little triangles I have on top show you how quickly the disc itself is spinning, and that's actually pretty slowly. So the disc itself is rotating, but not very quickly. But the point of contact between the disc and the mirror is spinning really quickly, and that's what you can hear. And that frequency of that point of contact moving around is getting faster and faster and faster, even though the disc itself is just spinning at a constant rate.
The disc is almost horizontal. It's rattling around extremely fast, proportional to 1 over the square root of the sine of the angle. And of course, that will go to infinity when the angle goes to 0, when the disc is actually flat. Now you're going to hear the sound of a singularity. Wow, spectacular.